I should have listened to them. He told me whether he was with it. He said no, he wasn't with it. He said we're all safe. We're going to have fun. And now I'm here for like 2 hours. I'm cutting off just enough time. When I come out from this place, I'm cutting just enough. Because he's so unserious with his life. I don't want to be in this case again. I promise myself, and I promise my parents, I promise everybody around me, I do not want to be in this case again. Because why am I here? Why? I had nothing to do with this, and yet I'm here. Next thing I'm seeing, I start shouting on my head, Mom, I'm just... See, I'm tired of it. Please release me. I'm done.